Perfumes don't just make you smell great, they can also transport you back to a picture-perfect past. But keep a nose out for some of the more troublesome side effects as well. Sometimes the smell of a particular perfume can transport you back to the past or a loved one who passed away. Your brain makes these connections because we unconsciously associate scents with people, places, and events. As psychotherapist Daryl Appleton told Pop Sugar in 2020, smells through the olfactory system have strong ties to the memory and fear center of the brain. Our signature scent is more than just something we like. It can be tied into our confidence and linked to our ability to self-soothe by reminding us of times when we felt powerful. Because perfumes evoke powerful memories and emotions, they also influence the way we feel, behave, and interact with the world. Perfumes also have the wonderful ability to send stress away and improve our mood. As Daryl Appleton explained to Pop Sugar, when we are surrounded by things that make us feel good, makeup, clothes, sounds, smells, statistically we tend to perform better because we feel better. This phenomenon is linked to the brain's ability to associate scents with positive memories and feelings, which is why choosing a signature fragrance helps regulate your mood. According to a 2005 study published in the journal Chemical Senses, certain fragrances, like clementine, can even reduce stress and stress-induced muscle tension. As Appleton notes, we typically see citrus smells linked to feeling awake or clean, which could help boost mood. Other people have noted liking earthy or woody scents that help them feel grounded. For calm, we see lavender and eucalyptus as crowd favorites. While some people rely on scents to relieve headaches, others find that perfumes and similarly scented products actually induce headaches or migraines. This is partly due to the fact that certain scents can trigger memories and emotions. In some cases, that means happy childhood memories, but other times it means traumatizing experiences. In this case, scent may trigger your fight or flight response and make you feel stressed, a common cause of muscle tension. Perfume-induced headaches can also be linked to the chemicals found in artificially scented products. Synthetic fragrance products often contain between 50 and 300 different ingredients. For some people, inhaling artificially scented perfumes irritates the sinuses, with the inflammation then leading to sinus headaches. Similarly, extended exposure to strong smells is a known trigger for migraines and nausea.
Yikes. Well, good luck with all that.
These findings might sound confusing to people who believe that scented candles and oils can relieve headaches. And indeed, aromatherapy can be a helpful way to naturally get rid of headaches. But this generally applies to pure, naturally derived essential oils such as lavender and peppermint rather than synthetic chemicals produced in a lab. For the tens of millions of Americans who experience allergies, wearing and inhaling perfume is not a pleasant experience, as the chemicals can lead to asthma flare-ups, rashes, and other allergic reactions. Those who are sensitive to fragrance may also experience symptoms like a runny nose, sneezing, and difficulty breathing. As Beth A. Miller, the University of Kentucky's Asthma, Allergy, and Sinus Clinics director, told Everyday Health in 2013, often patients with allergies are more sensitive to these irritants due to their baseline allergic disease. People who experience allergy symptoms from perfume may either be sensitive to strong fragrances in general, or they're allergic to a specific chemical in the products. Some individuals may also break out in itchy rashes for similar reasons. One of the more alarming side effects of synthetic fragrances involves the cardiovascular system. As noted by experts from Ohio State University, fragrances can alter your heart rate and induce changes in blood pressure. But these are simply the short-term effects of inhaling scented sprays. The long-term effects are even more concerning. Regular perfume users, as well as people who work in the cleaning or cosmetics industries, are at greater risk of experiencing changes in heart function, specifically the ability to pump blood normally. With all this in mind, it's important to remember that fragrances aren't limited to perfumes, as they can also be found in candles, laundry detergents, soap, shampoos, air fresheners, and other products. Further research is needed to understand the full extent of these cardiovascular changes, but those who are regularly exposed to the toxic chemicals in synthetic fragrances at work should take care to limit that exposure wherever possible.